Okay, this is a warm startup of my RX8. You can see it's died. Let's try again. Give it gas, so I don't die again. There it goes, trying to die again. It's really rough feeling, kind of jumpy. Dropping down, it's like dropping down to 500 and then dying. Yeah, it feels like it's gonna die again. As you can see, no check engine lights. So I don't know if bad gas or what the deal. I've been using 89 octane here lately. About 3 times now that I've gotten gas. I figure I'll try to run some of this gas out and then go ahead and put a 93 octane in again. Okay, after a little bit of revving and everything, keeping the car alive, it's actually idling really steady at about, I don't know what that is, about 800 RPMs. Give it a little gas. Used to be I'd give it a little gas, it would drop down real low. Now it's staying really steady, which is a good thing. So I'm about to go drive it, and then it's dropping. There it goes. There, it just dropped to about whatever that mark is, 700 or whatever. But it's actually staying pretty steady. It used to not even be that steady before I started having the problems. Still feeling a little rough though. I mean, the shifter's vibrating, the car's vibrating a little bit, but the needle's actually staying pretty steady right there on the RPMs. Like I said, I'm gonna go drive it and then see what happens.